Villa Sant'Andrea, Tuscany, Italy. Perched amidst the rolling hills of Tuscany, Villa Sant'Andrea offers a timeless blend of Italian elegance and countryside charm. This 16th-century estate, transformed into a luxurious villa, boasts 8 bedrooms, a stunning infinity pool, and sprawling vineyards that extend as far as the eye can see. Surrounded by olive groves and ancient cypress trees, the property immerses guests in a quintessential Tuscan experience, complete with breathtaking views of the Italian countryside. The villa itself is a masterpiece of Italian Renaissance architecture, featuring grand fireplaces, terracotta floors, and frescoed ceilings. Each room is elegantly furnished, combining traditional Tuscan design with modern comforts. Guests can savor authentic Italian cuisine prepared by a private chef, with many ingredients sourced from the villa's own gardens. For those seeking a more hands-on experience, cooking classes can be arranged, allowing you to learn the art of Tuscan cooking from local chefs. Outside, the villa offers plenty of space to explore and relax. Take a dip in the infinity pool overlooking the vineyards or enjoy a wine-tasting tour at a nearby vineyard. Located just a short drive from the historic towns of Siena and Florence, Villa Sant'Andrea provides the perfect base for exploring the cultural treasures of Tuscany, all while indulging in the luxurious serenity of the Italian countryside.